Nvidia core is on the verge of becoming the 9th company in history to reach a market value of $1 trillion that was triggered by a blowout forecast by the tech firm.
Imagine a world where technology isn't just advanced, it's visionary. Enter Nvidia, the powerhouse that revolutionized gaming, AI, and beyond. Let's dive into their extraordinary journey. Nvidia has been at the forefront of the development of computer graphics, winning over gamers all over the world. Nevertheless, despite the present slump, video games still made up nearly $9 billion of Nvidia's revenue in 2017. What precisely are they doing correctly then? Let's examine Nvidia's work culture in detail in this film and follow its development from a fledgling gaming company to a superb AI company. Shall we get started? Since the introduction of the now iconic GeForce 256, which also made the phrase graphics processing unit ubiquitous, Nvidia's chips have dominated the graphics industry. Since Nvidia has maintained its position as the market leader for almost 3 decades, its processors are no longer just used by the video game sector. They're currently the driving force behind a very groundbreaking idea. You guessed it, they're developing their business with none other than the always changing AI. Nvidia's latest financial status, however, point to a change in the GPU business despite a recent dip. The artificial intelligence boom currently heavily relies on GPUs, with Nvidia's technology playing a key role. In a recent interview, the company's CEO, Jensen Huang, said that the decision to fully back AI technology was one the business made after realizing its potential to revolutionize software development roughly 10 years ago. As a result, the business underwent a thorough restructure with an emphasis on AI at all levels, and as a result, every chip manufactured is designed with AI in mind. Nvidia's vision and investment in artificial intelligence have paid off, giving the company a cushion to survive the effects of worldwide chip scarcity and the challenges of the semiconductor sector. Nvidia now reaps the rewards of its crucial role in powering substantial language models like ChatGPT. Geopolitical problems have an influence on Nvidia, even though it is not immune to them. The shipment of cutting-edge AI chips to China was restricted by stringent laws put in place by the US in October. This is significant since China accounts for around 25% of Nvidia's sales, which include the company's famed A100 AI processor. In order to comply with rules and yet fulfill the demands of its business clients in China, Huang said that the company faced a hard month or so. All of their goods had to be re-engineered. However, they were successful in providing their Chinese consumers with first-rate assistance while employing the controlled parts. He did, however, make it clear that their vision was concentrated on rapid computing because it is the basis of their main business, GPUs. These GPUs are offered as cards that may be attached to the motherboard of a computer, giving CPUs from firms like AMD and Intel more computational capability. More than 80% of Nvidia's income comes from GPUs. Tech firms are now vying for market share against ChatGPT and openly displaying how they use Nvidia's A100s, which sell for around $10,000 apiece. Microsoft asserts that 10,000 of these A100s were used in their supercomputer designed for OpenAI. It is simple to connect their products and improve processing capability, which is now considered as the currency of the valley, according to Vivek Arya, a semiconductor analyst with Bank of America Securities. Jensen Huang, a visionary leader who has been crucial in defining Nvidia's incredible path, is in charge of the company and serves as its CEO. And to say the least, Nvidia is truly his brainchild. Given his cognitive ability, Huang came to the United States as a kid, leaving his home country of Taiwan behind. In 2021, Time magazine named Huang one of the world's 100 most important people. Fortune named him Business Person of the Year in order to pursue his passion for engineering. As luck would have it, in the early 1990s, Chris Malachowski and Curtis Preem, 2 other engineers, crossed his path. Huang was an engineer at the time, and the stunning visuals in films like Jurassic Park inspired their desire to bring 3D graphics to home computers. There was a heated debate back then about the direction of computers and the most effective way to run software. Although many believed that general-purpose central processing units, CPUs, were superior, Huang and his co-workers saw the need for acceleration and the untapped potential of specialized technology. The debate centered on whether or not computers should be used to run software. Huang gave a demonstration of his company's newest item, the H100, which is now being shipped. H in the name stands for Hopper, the transformer engine employed in the Hopper, a novel sort of processing technology, really intrigued Huang. He described how the transformer engine, denoted by the TE in GPT, is a breakthrough in computing science since it is made to handle transformers on an unprecedented scale. Large language models would become considerably quicker and more affordable as a result of this breakthrough. Huang bragged about giving OpenAI the first AI supercomputer in the world. Nvidia was started by Jensen Huang Chris Malachowski and Curtis Preem as a group of engineers gathering at Denny's to discuss their goals of giving PCs 3D graphics. They were not scared to take risks at all. With a market valuation of around $600 billion now, it is one of the top 10 most valuable internet businesses in the world. It also has 26,000 people working out of a recently built Polygon-inspired headquarters, one of the rare Silicon Valley behemoths that still has a founder in control after 3 decades is Nvidia. The software toolkit known as CUDA, which was published by Nvidia in 2006, was another huge risk taken by the business. Vice President of Applied Deep Learning Research at Nvidia, Brian Catanzara, revealed that Wall Street has questioned Nvidia's investment in their technology for a decade because no one was utilizing it and it was thus valued at nothing in their market valuation. Catanzara was one of the few workers at Nvidia in 2008 working on AI, but the business now employs thousands of people just for this purpose. However, the route that Nvidia would take was by no means certain, especially in the beginning when there were few applications for graphics processing units, GPUs. When the business combined computer graphics with video games, it made a wonderful discovery. With the unprecedented speed at which it can produce visual effects, Nvidia has undeniably cemented its status as a pioneer in the gaming industry and Hollywood. In the meantime, Nvidia achieved a significant milestone in its history in 1997, when it created its first high-performance graphics processor. Notably, Nvidia has chosen to maintain its status as a fabless semiconductor company, placing a higher priority on product design than on production. Huang effectively overcame the high cost of chip manufacturing at the time by deliberately reducing capital expenditure by outsourcing the production of chips to its main suppliers. Thanks to Jensen Huang's unwavering vision and the company's dedication to innovation, Nvidia continues to shape technology's future and has permanently altered the computer industry. Nvidia is already reaping the benefits of its AI efforts, which have led to the development of potent language models like ChatGPT, while other chip makers are having difficulties as a result of trade tensions between the United States and China and a semiconductor shortage that is improving. Nvidia is doing well. Despite this, the chip designer based in California is vulnerable to a specific danger, since Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company TSMC, its main supplier, produces practically all of its chips. Not to mention Nvidia's $7 billion purchase of Mellanox, a market-leading semiconductor manufacturer for data centers, marked a significant turning point for the business in 2020. But the road to success hasn't been straightforward. Nvidia recently had to decline a $40 billion deal to buy ARM, a well-known CPU maker. In the midst of a continuously changing environment, Nvidia is a business that has demonstrated great resilience and creativity. It has altered the nature of the graphics industry, redefined the potential of artificial intelligence, and paved the way for a time when technology will fundamentally alter a myriad of aspects of our existence. Remember to stay curious and embrace the ever-evolving world of technology. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories.